So this is the Murphy bed that I made using a combination of IKEA cabinets, 2 IKEA cabinets that I reconfigured into one, and then also a next bed Murphy bed kit that I bought from CASA-ELAN in Dubai. You can see how easy it is to operate. Very simple. You have a queen size bed that's available when you need it, and it's hidden away when you don't need it. And the nice thing about the next bed, Murphy bed, is it doesn't connect to your cabinet, it actually connects to the wall. So the cabinet just becomes a decorative element, so it doesn't have to withstand any of the weight or tension that a normal Murphy bed would. It's great, and I'm really pleased with it.